Welcome to Lesson 3. In this lesson, I'll show you how to add forms to your website. Forms are important because they give you a way to collect useful data that can be used to make contact with your audience, follow up, and streamline workflows. Follow along by logging into your WebStarts account. Select the site where you'd like to add a form. Next, open the page editor and select the page where you'd like the form. I'm going to create a new page and call it Quote. As you remember from Lesson 1, I select Blank Page, click Create Page, give the page a name, and click OK. To add a form, click the plus button on the sidebar and scroll down to Contact Form. Drag the contact form to where you want it on the page. I'm going to customize the form by selecting it, then clicking the attached pencil icon. With the Add a Field tab selected, I can click on either the standard fields or the fancy fields to add them to my form. Customize the fields by clicking on them. Drag the handles to the left of each field to rearrange the order. Delete fields by clicking the trash can icon. Click the Settings button to specify who will receive form submissions, designate a confirmation page, and finally whether you'd like the data collected to go into an email marketing list. Note: to send data to an email marketing list, you must have already created the list names in the email marketing app. I'll cover that more in depth in another lesson. Click Update to apply your settings, and then click Update Form and you'll see the changes applied to the form on your page. Just like with other elements, you can customize the appearance of your form by clicking the attached style icon. With your form complete, don't forget to see how it looks on mobile. Click the Save icon to save and publish your changes. That's it for this lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave comments and questions below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 4.